Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's solve one more problem related to the plane scale. So problem states, construct a scale of 1 by 5 to show decimeter and centimeters and to read up to 1 meter. So the length of 7.6 decimeter on it. So RF is given, RF is 1 by 5 representative fraction. We have to show decimeter and centimeter. So we know the relationship between decimeter and centimeter. 1 decimeter is equivalent to 10 centimeter, isn't it? And we have to read maximum distance to be measured is 1 meter. So 1 meter is equivalent to 10 decimeter, isn't it? So length of scale we can find is equal to RF into maximum distance to be measured. So we will get our length of scale is equivalent to 200 millimeter. Now since maximum distance to be measured is 1 meter, which is equivalent to 10 decimeter, we will divide this length into 10 equal parts, right? So let's first prepare the rectangle having the length equivalent to 200 millimeter and divide this rectangle into 10 equal parts. So each part will be of 20 millimeter. So let's divide this, right? At the end of first division, let's put a 0 mark over here. From the right hand side of the 0, put a larger unit, that is our decimeter, 1 to 9, and left hand side of the 0 there will be a smaller unit, that is centimeter, 10 centimeter. 1 decimeter is equivalent to 10 centimeter. Further we have to divide this division into 10 equal parts. So this division is equivalent to 20 millimeter. So let's divide this into 10 equal parts using scale, right? 2 millimeter division each. So we can easily divide that. So let's say this is the division. Let's write the RF below the scale. RF is equivalent to 1 by 5. This is our complete plane scale ready to be measured. Let's show the length of 7.6 decimeter on it. So 7 decimeter is over here. 0.6 decimeter is equivalent to 6 centimeter. So 6 centimeter is over here. Let's draw the end line and join and represent 7.6 decimeter on it. Now here is a question for you. How to represent 34 centimeter on this scale? If you know the answer, do comment in the comment section. And if you want to watch such a more content, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.